can't do it.
Hey, guys! Any ideas? DJ, knock the building down! Really?
We can't do that.
Aww.
Ricky, you gotta rescue him.
I tried. I can't do it.
You weren't trying to rescue Dasher. You were trying to be Dasher. Just be Ricky.
You're right. How would Ricky do this?
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
That's it. Time to zoom. Grappling hook, go! I'm coming, Dasher. Go, Ricky!
Am I glad to see you, cuz?
I'm gonna lower you down, okay?
Are you sure you know how?
I do this all the time.
I think you're my favourite cousin.
Bike buddies, go! DJ, bike boost!
Ricky, you gotta show me how you do that. It's awesome.
I'm pretty sure only Ricky can do that one.
Let's hear it for my cousin!